Yo guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. It's been a long time since I've done a YouTube video, so I'm trying to do one today, and I got to it. I was gonna get off Roblox, but then I just thought of doing a video, so I'm gonna do one, and I'm gonna do a game that I have not played in a while. Piggy. A lot of the videos I play Piggy, but not a lot. So I haven't played Piggy since a month ago or something. I don't know, but we're gonna play book 2 because we played a lot of book 1 in the past. So if you don't know, you should know because we did it for like 2 months ago. So, book 2. I'll play Piggy. Just check on book. There's Izzy. It's been a long time since I played this game. Okay, so there's Piggy. Right there, there's Piggy right there. Piggy is stuck. The reason why I haven't been doing videos. Why did nobody die? Oh, I died! Alright guys. Let me just talk to you for a second real quick. Since I haven't been playing for a while, I don't really know my controls. Oh my gosh. And I just love to do I just used to love Piggy. There's Polly right there. I haven't played that much, you know. Like I told you. What is this? Let me just see what skin I equipped. Ghosty. Yes, Ghosty. Ghosty was an update. We're actually going to equip we're gonna equip Heresy. That's who we're gonna be. We're gonna go back to book 1. Because I haven't played book 1 in a while. So we're gonna play book 1. Oh, let's go, Carnival. One of my favorite maps in Piggy is Carnival in chapter 1. Or book 1. I just love this. And then book 2 came along, which I didn't really care about book 1 anymore. Really, I don't care about this. What I'm saying is like, oh shoot, there's a trap right there. Okay, green key. There's no way it's gonna give me. Get him. So I got the green key, to be honest. Where does green key go? Don't say stuff to me. I haven't played this in a long time, so of course I don't know where green key is. Oh, I know where green key is now. I think they already unlocked it. I forgot where green key. Where does green key go? Oh, they already did it. No, they didn't. Perfect. So in here is red key. That's what I remember. Yes. All right. Piggy's gone for 20 seconds. So where's the plane? Says I got red key. Oh, up here is the wrench. We need that. Put the wood down. If you have wood. Alright. We're gonna go find the wood. Wait. It just juked Piggy out. Bro, go, go, go! Yes! Cool! Yes! Go, 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 go. You have the plank, you have the plank. Where's the plank? Where's the plank? Someone go get the plank. Whoever has the plank, use it. Bruh, when I played piggy a long time ago, people would not use the plank. Unless no one nearby. That was my strategy. Piggy's right there. You gotta watch out, dude. I only have red key. You can't do that glitch. It's old and boring. I got the plank. Don't go on this. I got a cough stuck. I don't know how that's possible. So I got the wrench, and we have 2 minutes to go, and you know how to play this? Because I'm actually good at the game. I'm fine. I hope. Alright guys. We might have just won there. So that is what I call victory right there. Unless I die. This is what I call victory right here. Watch. This is what I call victory. That's what I call victory right there, boys. Yeah, Mr. P, I'm here too. Who are you? You guys should, if you play piggy. Alright, we're gonna skip this because we already. There's Miss P right there. I'll check what RB got. Where's RB? Okay, so there's multiple piggies. I could tell. Blink. Okay, stop camping, dude. That's camping. I don't like RV battles. Why did I go to there? Should I shop at store? I don't know, guys. I'm bored. You know, I'm gonna play some Arsenal right here. I love Arsenal. Oh my god. I gotta tell you guys a story. So the first time when chapter 12 and Piggy, and I beat it, the first time I played it, I think, I got memories, I got flashbacks like crying. I can't even lie. No, can't lie. But that was honestly the most easiest map I did, to be honest. Like, not even joking. Because I knew where a lot of stuff was. Right? Let's go. We're gonna do this. Right? So, I completely had to figure out how to do it. Okay, so I know you have to shoot people. Oh, right. Gotta go. Oh. Tagged her. Wait, what? Oh. So Hopefully she's... Oh no. I killed one. No! I died. Okay, he died too. Let's go. What? What in the world? I'm on a dying streak. It's honestly so... No! It's so, like, windy outside right now. Like, I can't even lie about that. Like why would I lie? Oh, I just killed someone. Oh. Come out. I know you're there. See? Yep. Yeah, I told you. I told you they were there, bro. So I love this gun. I've never even tried it. Hey. I'll play you some more. So we're gonna go on here, boys. I might end it like a minute short or something. That I cleared. Oh no! I just don't like that. Oof! I feel like we should go there. Railgun Royale. 4 teams. Oh no! Ow! Oh, we're playing this map. It's basically like Piggy to me. Like, okay, there, it finally changed. Alright, we're blue team. Go kill him. Go. No! How did I die? How did I die? How in the world did I die? Okay! They are. Look at that. I don't even know what I just said. Yeah. Oh, let's go. I don't even know this gun. Oh. No, you don't. No, you don't. Oh. Wait, how are you killing me with a pizza? What? Oh, okay. I don't know what this gun is. Hello. Oh, tagged him 100, bro. Wow. I'm on a freaking winning streak. Go. I got it. What the? What? Okay, guys, don't get mad at me. Alright, this might be... Oh. I did this door. What is this gun? I didn't get a shout out. Okay, this is an AR for sure. Okay, she had a rocket launcher right there. Alright. What? That was my buddy, bro. That was my buddy. Die. So I'm gonna leave now. Alright guys, so that will be it for this video. I'm sorry that I have to end it like a minute early. Well, alright guys. I will see you guys in maybe 1 week. I don't know. But, yeah. Merry early Christmas. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!